Hey friends, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to show you some jewelry. I've done a jewelry review in the past, and this is from a sister company of the previous company I shared, and it's called SheSaidYes. And this is the beauty that I'm going to tell you about, but mainly I'm here to tell you about the company in case you're looking for a high quality jewelry place that's somewhat budget friendly for gifts or just for yourself. I thought I'd share. So a while back, I actually brought you guys a jewelry company called Jeulia. I had been a customer of theirs for years and was blessed to be able to partner with them to show you some of their pieces. My wedding ring is from Jeulia, and I've had another one prior to this one that I've been wearing for years. I just love them. But I heard from some of you guys that you don't wear silver jewelry, and that's what they carry. And I didn't really know of any companies that carried gold or other metals. Well, SheSaidYes is a sister company of Jeulia, and they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to maybe check out some of their pieces and learn a little bit about them, and then maybe I could share with you guys. And that's what I'm here to do today. I am not here to sell you something. I'm just here to give you guys information and a resource. Whether or not it's a right fit for you, I have no idea, but I'm just going to put the information out there and you can do with it whatever you choose. One of the things I really love about their website is the level of customization that you can engage in when you look to order something from them. So for example, this piece right here is called the Light of My Life. It's a round cut necklace. That's what it looks like. But on the top here, look at all of the metal options that you have. I mean, there's tons of choices. So this one is 10 karat rose gold, but they've got 10 karat regular gold. They have 10 karat white gold. Then they have 14 karat in all three of those. They have 18 karat in all of those and a platinum option. And then not only that, but then the stone, this one is just the crystal gemstone, but they've got moissanite, they've got chocolate stones, a watermelon stone, and tons of other colors. So it's really highly customizable. So for those of you who love jewelry and you love unique pieces, or you like to, create your own, this gives you so many options, which I just love. Let me show this one to you up close. Now, one of the things I'll caution you about is the clamp. I can blanket on what this is called, the lobster claw. I don't remember, but they're very, very small. I actually have a lot of trouble with them. So what I've done is I've purchased these magnetic things on Amazon, and I just add them to all of my necklaces to make them really easy to put on and take off. I can link in the description these in case you're interested and you struggle with the same thing. But the necklace itself, it's very delicate. The metal is super delicate. And then there's that beautiful stone. I'm definitely not a necklace video person, but I think you get the idea. And it has multiple, let me get on the right side here. So it has multiple options for hooking it. You can see there's 3 different lengths. So the length I chose for this necklace is an 18 inch. And let me see if I can put it on here for you guys. I got to put it on the right direction. And so when I've got it all the way out and I've got that extra magnetic clasp, then it fits down here. If you want it shorter, you do have some other options for that. And they do also have some other sizes. So I chose 18 inch, but they've got 14 inch, 16 inch, 18, 20, and 22 inch. So you can definitely customize the length of your chain. Now, some of these options have a cost increase to them. So keep that in mind. If you want the platinum instead of gold, that's going to be a lot more expensive. So this one, this retailer is more expensive than Jeulia, because Jeulia is just, was it sterling silver or whatever the silver is that they use? It's a cheaper metal. So these are going to run just a little bit more. They've got rings, they've got necklaces, they've got wedding sets, engagement sets. They just have a lot of really cool things. So I just wanted to tell you guys about them, She Said Yes, and what I really love is their packaging was gorgeous. So let me show you how it came. So basically, it came really great for gift giving, you guys. It came in this really nice box, and then inside the box was the jewelry box. Has a little you press the button to open it. So beautiful. The necklace was protected in a plastic bag, but it also had inside the box this really cute little bag and a piece of ribbon. So if you wanted to really dress this up and make it a beautiful gift for someone, you could take the ribbon and you could tie it around the box. It didn't come like that. You would have to do it yourself, but it was all packaged so nicely. And then you could take that and stick it right inside this little bag that says She Said Yes on it. It's just the coolest little package. So if you're buying for yourself, maybe you don't really care about that. But if you're thinking, I'm just trying to put it right inside this little bag. But if you're thinking about giving this as a, or you could take this ribbon actually and tie it right around here if you wanted. But if you're thinking about giving a gift to someone and you want it to be extra special, I really love the way that they packaged this up. So She Said Yes. I'll put the details in the description, including the link to this piece. And I have a discount code for you guys as well. All of that will be in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any experience with this company and what you think of them. Again, it's just another resource for you. Tuck it away for a time when maybe you're looking for a gift or looking for something special for yourself. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you soon.